Hey guys, in this video I wanna show you how you get rid of ants from your house in easier way at home. Ants come or smell suffice for food, and the interiors can be the smallest of cracks. Sometimes they do not need a crack because they are already established a nest indoors, perhaps inside a wall. You don't need to still worry about that. This amazing remedy will help you to remove ants from your house. To make this magical remedy, we will need boric acid. Boric acid incense a poison to ants. It impacts their stomach, their nervous system, and they are also used to kill the ants. If you use too much acid, it could overpower the aroma taste to the bite. Now we can make this magical remedy. Firstly, we need 1 or 2 teaspoons of boric acid into the container. Now simply just add 1.5 teaspoon of warm water into the mixture. Now mix it well. And then the remedy is ready to use. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and share this content and also subscribe this channel. Thank you.